Hello again, beautiful people, and welcome back to Fifi's Corner. Now, today, as you can see, I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of the new corner, office, glam room, perfumery, however we want to call it. Now, I hope you guys will understand why I have been away for a while. I was packing, moving, unpacking, decorating, and then I snuck in a trip in there as well. If you are following me on Instagram, you know about that already. And so this is a shameless plug to say follow me on Instagram. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Let's get back into the tour here. All the items that are still available will be in the description box below. I also wanted to make sure when you guys see my background being completely different, you're not like surprised as to what happened to Fifi's Corner. We have a new location, everybody, new office, new decoration, new everything. So let's get right into it. We are starting with this wall over here, and if you haven't noticed already, the room is mainly dusty rose / pink, gold, white, and then I use this teal couch for a little pop of color. On the top right hand side of the wall, of course, I have these neon lights that obviously say Fifi. They go up to 100%, 50%, and 25%. So depending on the filming situation, I can have it on to whatever brightness is appropriate at the time. They also have these modes where they can flash depending on the setting that I pick at the moment. But for obvious flash sensitivity reasons, I'm not going to be using it in that way. Sticking with the overall theme of the room, I have this beautiful love seat which I got from Wayfair, and it has gold legs which I absolutely love. This is going to serve as my main filming background going forward for my videos. On top of the couch, I have these two pink circle throw pillows which I got from At Home, and the throw blanket is from a local furniture store here in Austin, Texas. Unfortunately, they do not have a website, but you know you can always find something similar on Amazon any day, anytime. Below all of that, I'm not sure if it's called pink or dusty rose. We have this carpet here from IKEA. Fun fact, this room was actually 100% carpet. We took it all out and replaced it with these laminate floorings, which I think give it a more professional look, and then the carpet makes it a little bit more cozy. So that's that for this corner of the room, and then we're going to move on to the next corner. This is what I like to call the office side of the room. This is where I sit down, edit my videos, and actually get some work done. So let's get a closer look of everything. Here I have this canvas here that says number 5 Chanel. Of course, if you know me, I'm a fragrance head, so I have to have something fragrance related. Here is this beautiful memo board that I got from IKEA. I love that it is cloth and it's not the regular cork board that you know, which is where I put all those my gift messages with purchases that have all those positive messages. I put them here and I read them whenever I'm having a bad day and they make me feel better. I still have a couple more to put up here to make it look a little bit more full. And then here I have my laptop, of course, which I always need for everything. I have that crystal and gold paperweight on the table that I got from H&M, and then I also have a sketchbook that I use for my fashion designs. Here you will notice that this is that flower vase that I used to have as the background of all my videos that I was filming before. It was rose gold, so I spray painted it with a gold spray, and I also sprayed the pencil case with the gold spray as well. And right next to it is a Christian Dior holiday candle. Underneath all of that is a very handy remote control foot massager, which I use to just reset my brain and calm myself down for when I just need to relax for 15 minutes, and then I'm gone to the next thing. Right next to the office corner of the room, we have these two large double windows, which I use sheer light filtering curtains to cover, and then I have two other curtains in front of it. These windows are in the perfect position because they are right opposite the couch, which will give me a nice natural light when I'm filming videos, and the curtain just helps diffuse that light so it is not too harsh on my face. These curtains are actually from the ceiling all the way down. I have everything in the description box below in case you're looking for the exact curtain and the rods that I used to hang them all the way from the ceiling. And then when we move right next to the curtain, we have this wall hanging shelf over here that I just used to put some decoration pieces, some boxes, and then I have my printer at the bottom because when I'm shipping items, I need to print out my shipping labels. On the very top of the shelf, I have this pink ceramic vase from H&M with a faux eucalyptus plant inside. I also have my Christian Dior pink water bottle, which I unboxed on the channel. And then I have this very cute hourglass that I found from Walmart. I just love the size and how the sand is pink and it goes perfect with the theme of the shelf and the room. On the second level, we have this set of 2 velvet boxes, which are actually decoration pieces, but I use them to store my perfume samples because where else am I going to put all of these samples? I need somewhere to store them, and this works perfectly fine. Right next to the boxes is this table clock that is made out of cement. It's pink with gold handles. It's not as heavy as it sounds. It's actually pretty light. On the next shelf, we have these cute mini vase from H&M again, which I am absolutely in love with. For size comparison between that one and the medium size, that is just how cute is that is just the size of it, very little. And so right next to where I have it placed, I thought it was pretty appropriate to put my mini fragrances because they make it look a little bit bigger when you see them just like that. So here I have some mini Christian Dior fragrances. I have Chloe, Flower Bomb, Prada perfume, and I just put them right next to the mini vase and they look a little bit bigger right next to that. And right next to that is a picture of me in a dusty rose frame on the morning of my wedding day. And below everything is one of the most wanted items in the entire office, and that is my pink Canon printer. I got scammed in the process of getting this printer, but luckily I was finally able to get it. I see everyone has like doubled their price on this printer, but I'll put some links down below to some places where you can find it available. It's sold out everywhere, but they do have some restocks every now and then. Not only is the printer such a pretty color, but it also prints directly from my iPhone through wireless service. It prints pictures, stickers, and so much more. So I really love this printer. Right next to the entire shelf, I have this full standing mirror which I use to get a glimpse of my full outfit. I also have one right by the door when I'm exiting downstairs, but here it gives me a full view of my outfit, and then if I'm good to go, I go. And of course, right next to that, I have my purse collection in these IKEA bookshelves, which have LED lights inside that I control with Google. So they're connected to Google Home and also can be controlled from my phone. So as you can see, I'm not just addicted to perfumes, I am also addicted to handbags. And we should get into that at a different time. But at least you can see how I organize my purse collection. Now the handles I had to change. They came with a regular plain handles, but I put those gold handles on top just to give it the overall theme of the room. And then we have this small IKEA mom dresser, which has this dusty rose stool with the gold legs again to go with the couch that we have there, that teal couch. The stool is also multi-purpose because I use it when I'm doing my makeup, and if I need a stool for the office, I use that as well. On top of the dresser, I use these 2 Huda Beauty lip kits from like 3 years ago as decor pieces on the dresser. They're so cute because they're lips, and of course lipstick makeup goes together, so that I have it on one side of the dresser, and on the other side of the dresser I have this really cute vintage looking perfume bottle. This is actually a setting spray from Pure Cosmetics, which has glitter inside. So this is just a beautiful thing for someone who loves makeup and loves perfumes because it goes well with the decor of the room. And then I have some of my setting sprays just sitting on the table. I also have this Fenty Beauty bronzer that I haven't put away yet. In the drawer is where I put all my makeup that I'm using at the time. Now we are going to move to this Billy bookcase, which has all of my perfume collection. Let's turn off this light because the reflection is very annoying. So there you go. That is my perfume cabinet here. I replaced a lot of the drawers with glass so that the LED light that I have in there is able to reflect all over the cabinet. And of course, again, this LED light, I have it connected to Google. If you guys like a full video for that, just let me know. At the bottom of the shelf here, I have my Dior collection on the second last shelf, and at the very last you see these two white boxes which I also got from IKEA, which I hide majority of my makeup collection that is just piles of stuff, and I just put that all in there. We will go more in depth on this cabinet when I'm a little bit more comfortable on this channel. Now, one thing I want to make sure I show you guys in this office is the beautiful ceiling. I use washi tape to make large triangles on the ceiling, replace the boring LED lights with this nice beautiful gold crystal chandelier, and use daylight bulbs just to give me that nice white light when I'm filming, not just from the natural light. I'm also going to have my ring light, and then I have this beautiful light as well. I hope you truly enjoyed going on this tour with me as much as I did making this video. And if there's anything that you would like me to make any dedicated video for next time, just let me know in the comments down below. This is my first time doing any sort of tour or video like this, so feel free to let me know any tips and tricks for next time. As well, do not forget to please subscribe to the channel because we are trying to build this community up. I'm trying to meet a lot of you guys, so please leave comments, like this video, subscribe, and let's continue to grow. And I'll see you guys next time.